how can we avoid this tutorial hell?
Hey, okay. Firstly, what's tutorial hell? I had to learn the meaning after falling into after falling into it 100 times. Like I had to know it by force by
Oh,
fire. Like
yeah,
tutorial hell is basically you being in the loop of learning, watching tutorials like continuously without
tutorials.
building an actual project. And like when you try to build project, you still find yourself going to use all those tutorials like you're in a loop.
Yeah,
You can't actually like
yeah.
I swear. Yeah, so how to go about it? I mean, how did I even go about it? Like how did I come out of tutorial hell? First of all, you have to say to yourself that I give up on tutorial hell. Like you have to tell yourself